Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new vlog. It's Saturday morning. It's nice and early. The weather has been looking a little bit nicer. It's starting to fit the theme of like that summer fall transition, so it's not as hot anymore and I'm feeling good. Right now I'm on the way to the homie Larry's shop and he's gonna be installing a power frunk on my Tesla. One thing I love about having a Tesla is that it has multiple storage spaces, but the frunk is not really the move when you're trying to store something that's short term. So I rarely open that thing because one, I hate slamming the hood, and two, I just hate touching the hood. You know, right after you get a nice car wash, you don't want to put your fingerprints all over the hood and then you got to wipe it off and do all that stuff. With the power frunk, it will open and close with the push of a button. So that is what I like. The convenience factor is there, and Larry's a god when it comes to those installs. So that's why I'm heading over to Larry's shop right now. He actually did my old Model 3 back in like 2000, I want to say it was like 2018. He did the power trunk when Model 3s didn't come with that. So we're heading to his shop right now. We're gonna tap in with Larry in a little bit. Let's go to his shop. All right, you guys, we just got to Larry's shop, EV Mod. It's located out here in Fremont. We're with Larry. We haven't seen him since when, like 2019 or something?
3 or 4 years ago.
And this is his new shop. So congrats on the new shop.
Thank you.
He does all of the Tesla accessories. So if you guys need anything installed in the Bay Area, you hit up Larry. I'll have his info down below in the description. But today, we are installing the auto frunk. Larry also does mobile installs as well. So if you need him to do anything, hit him up and he'll take care of you. So here's the stock hood strut, and here is the upgraded one. You can see the difference. This one's way thicker. This one's kind of thin and flimsy. So after watching Larry install everything, I would recommend going to a professional. There's a lot of wires going on and you gotta make sure everything is aligned properly so your hood doesn't fly up. So go to a professional. So here's some of the products that Larry's carrying right now.
This is a Model 3 and a Y, the tailless bar. And this is for Model S. This is Model 3 and a Y, the full tailless with the bar. This is all the screens, different size screens, and we do have a swivel. This is a rear screen, so there's a lot of you can play with the music, you can adjust the temperature, and in the seat you can move forward and back. Also you can play YouTube videos. It's good for the kids. So this is a entry light. The entry light has all different kind of different colors. You can change whatever you want. So, or you can use we have a RGB, or you can do some different demos.
I think we'll do this one next because when I drive at night, inside is so dark.
It's beautiful.
Yeah,
it's beautiful.
And I like how it's built in too.
Yeah.
That looks so much more OEM.
So we have the front camera and the back camera, and all different kind of steering wheel, carbon fiber, white carbon fiber, black. That's the Model 3 and a Y fog light.
Let me show you how it works on the phone. We got the Tesla app open. We're gonna hit open on the hood. Boom, and it opens just like that. Now we're gonna hit Perfect. And you could also do it inside as well on the screen. So it makes getting things easier. You don't have to slam anything, just grab it, boom. You can either close it inside there on your app or use this button right here that we have now. Nice. Once again, I want to give a huge thank you to Larry for installing this for me. This is the professional right here, so all of his info will be down below in the description. If you guys are in the area, make sure you hit him up. Thank you for the install.
Yes,
appreciate you.
No problem.
As you guys probably know by now, the Teslas, they don't come with a front license plate, and out here in California they are a little bit more strict. So if you want to mount a license plate without drilling into your bumper, do it really fast and do it really nice.
And you can put on like 2 seconds.
Yeah.
If you want to take it out, whenever you want it, that's it. There's a screw to lock it. After you lock it, then nobody can take it out.
I've seen people, they drill into their bumper and then it looks all ugly, or they don't get it centered. So if you guys are looking for a nice license plate mount, you hit up Larry.